Alright, these are the cicadas that have really invaded our trees and everything else. And in the background, I'll be quiet for a minute, you can hear their sound. Those are the males doing their mating call. You can hear them calling for the females. And there's a mower in the background, so that's probably what you're hearing too, but they're louder than the mower, that's for sure. So, there's one right there. Oh, that's Larry Swinger right there.
There's another one.
And they're right there. But they come out of the ground every 17 years. And they holler for a female, and then once they mate, then they die off, and they go, and the females lay the eggs, and they die off, and the eggs hatch in the ground. So we have to watch it too when we go in, because sometimes we have bugs on us, or I've seen one in the washing machine, a couple on Larry, and our dog Perry just loves to eat them. So I think she's gaining weight from eating them. She's not a very hungry dog right now because of it, and our cat too. So they don't hurt or harm anything. They just are out for about a month or a month and a half, and then they go back into the ground again. So we have oodles and oodles and oodles of them all over the place.